Hey, I'm Ray from Going Green Earthling. Today we're going to be making our own liquid hand soap. Normally I just buy my hand soap from the dollar store. It's just so cheap and easy and it comes in a convenient little squirt bottle, but trying to read the back of it, I realized I couldn't pronounce even half of the ingredients. So today we're just going to make our own liquid hand soap that's easy to make. We know what we're putting into it and we know it's safe to use.
Alright, so this is a super easy process. The hardest part is getting together all the ingredients that you need. But as far as actually making the soap, it's very simple. First you'll need a bowl to mix everything in. You'll need something to mix it with. You'll need 3/4 cup distilled water. It's important that it's distilled because otherwise your soap's going to grow bacteria in it, and that kind of defeats the purpose of using hand soap. So, distilled water. 3/4 cup Castile soap. I like Dr. Bronner's, that's my favorite. 1 tablespoon nourishing oil. We're going to use jojoba, but if you're on a budget, you can also use sweet almond oil. So it's pretty good too. So 1 tablespoon vitamin E oil. And then I'm going a little over the top by using vegetable glycerin, but I just really want my hands to be luxurious and soft, so I'm going to add a few drops of that too. Some tea tree oil, and then lavender oil. Make sure that your oils are 100% essential oils and are undiluted. Make sure all your products that you use are from companies that you trust. And then of course we're gonna need a soap dispenser, and I chose a foaming one because it makes my life happy. So those are what we need to get started. Alrighty, so since we've gone through all the ingredients, now we're just gonna mix up the stuff and make our soap. We're gonna add our distilled water first to avoid bubbles. Then we're gonna add our Castile soap. I'm gonna give this a quick little stir. And then we're just gonna add our oils into it. I'm just stirring as I go along just to keep it going here. Ooh, squirted a little bit. And then we're gonna add 20 drops of tea tree oil. I'm kind of guesstimating right now. Can't really see it very well. And then 15 drops of lavender oil. And we're just gonna stir it up. Probably would be best if you used a funnel to do this, but I don't have a funnel, so we're just winging this here. Let me spill half of it on the table. It's like a whole dollar each spilled on the table. Alright, so now that we got this all made, I'm gonna give it a try and see how it works. Look how nice that looks, all foamy. I love foamy stuff. Feels nice on my hands. Alright, well I gotta go rinse this off because I didn't really think this through. You will have to shake the soap before each use. The natural ingredients tend to separate and settle, so just shaking it up mixes everything back together again. I know it does kind of suck having that extra step to have to do. I'm kind of lazy, so I definitely empathize with not wanting to do extra work for stuff, but I definitely think it's worth it just to not have soap with chemicals and wondering if it's harmful to you or your family, so I definitely think it's worth the extra step with this.
Thanks for joining me for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please let me know in the comments if this recipe worked for you or not. I have a lot more cool ideas to share with you, so please keep a lookout for the next video from Going Green Earthling.